welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a very beautiful fascinator using a fabric. I'm going to show you how you could achieve a curvy shape using a fabric. I'm not using cinnamon, I'm not using princess mat, I'm talking about the brim, okay? So this is the fabric I'm going to use today. Can you see it? It's a little bit stretchy, not really a little bit, it's stretchy. I think this is lycra, okay? This is lycra and it's stretchy on both sides, okay? And if you look at it closely, you see that it's shining on one side and the other side is plain, okay? So this is what I'm going to use. I already molded my crown using princess mats, okay, and I use a breakable plate as usual. So what I'm going to do right now is to take this fabric and use it to cover this crown, okay? If you don't know how to achieve this, please check the link up here. You're going to see our previous video on how I covered a crown like this, okay? So in order for this video not to be too long, I will just go off camera and try to wrap it with this fabric, okay? So let me quickly do that and get back to us. Here's it. You can see how neat it's looking. So I didn't cover the inner parts. It's not necessary to cover the inner parts. So, but if you like, you could cover yours, but I feel it's not necessary. So it's looking nice already. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap, or I don't want to wrap the wire, okay? Since the fabric is thick. So what I'm going to do is to start my curve. This wire I already cut and folded it. This is about 41 inches long, so I folded it. So what I'm going to do, look at this place where I have my joining and the opposite of the joining. I'm just going to bend it, not outward but inward like this. I'm going to form a love shape like so, okay? See, this is a love shape. I don't know if you can see it very well. Okay, so, and I want the fascinator to come up like this. Is going to be here, while here will be facing up. You could as well make it like this, while here is facing down and it will be like this, but I don't think I like it that way. So I'll prefer that here goes up like so, okay? So let me just fold it more. I needed it to be sharp there. In order to achieve that curvy shape while here is facing up, I'm going to face this sharp edge down like this, okay? Let it face down, because at the end of the day it's going to come out like this. Do you get it? So this is it. So I'll go ahead right now and start pegging. You can see it. Can you see the love shape is showing already? And you see this curvy part. This is exactly how I want it to be. So what I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and stitch it with my needle and thread, okay? So let me quickly stitch it. I hope every one of us already know how to stitch, okay? So I'll just stitch it off camera and get back to us. Stitching it, you can see it neatly stitched. So I just went ahead to trim it off. So what I'm going to do right now is to place this on top of it. If you look at this closely, you're going to see it has some stripes, okay? And this one as well. So I'm going to make sure I try to align them, okay? So that the stripe will be going to one direction, even though not all, but at least majority of the line will enter, so that it will look like it's a continuous something. Can you see now? If you look at the line, you will see they are all going to one direction. So this is how I'm going to do it. So I'll go ahead right now and stitch it, then get back to us. We already know how to stitch, right? Okay, so I'm just going to stitch it round, then return back for embellishments. I finished stitching, so I'm going to go ahead and cut open these parts. Remember, as you are cutting, you have to leave a little allowance that you're going to press down, so you can see the little allowance. I'm not cutting it out completely. Okay. So after this, I'm going to make sure I cut it like this so that it can relax. Just tear it. So I'll go ahead, add my glue and press it down. You can see I went a step ahead to cover this place with bias. So I'm just going to start my embellishment. I made these ruffles. I hope we all know how to make ruffles, right? So I use net to make this ruffle. I'm going to just stick it right here and add some feathers. I'm going to add some black feathers and mix it with a little of this ash feather, because the person is using it with ash color gown. Okay. Here is it. I'm done with it. Can you see it? It's looking nice, right? You can see the lines, they are all going to one direction. I went a step ahead to also add feathers to this round place so that where I stitched will not be showing. And I also added my ash color feather, like I said. And I went ahead to add my band. If you see, you see that I used another color of bias. I don't have black right now, so and since it's inside, it doesn't really matter. So that's it. So I'm going to try it on right now so you can see. Can you see it? How does it look on me? Look nice, right? So you know the right thing to do. Begin to give it a big thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. And please, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do well to hit the subscribe button just down below. If it is still showing red, it means you have not subscribed yet. Please subscribe so that you can be receiving more creative videos from us, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime we upload new videos. Will you believe that I can use a fabric, ordinary fabric, not cinnamon and not net, to make a fascinator like this? Wow, it's so amazing. Creativity never ends. Please like my video and feel free to share this video with your friends, okay? Wow. Stay tuned till I come your way again next time. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.